Welcome back to Unity 5 beginner tutorials. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a tree. For creating a tree, no programming is expected to be known, and you just need to memorize a few basic steps. It is what you see is what you get kind of an interface. You just need to drag and drop your assets into the scene. We are going to create a tree trunk, followed by the tree branches, followed by the tree leaves, and we will explore what all options are available. And in the end, this is the tree that we would be creating. Let's start with a plain Unity interface. So click on Game Object, create a terrain. 3D object, click on 3D object, terrain, and this is the kind of view you will get. And what we will do is that first we will place some trees into the scene so that we can compare the tree that we are creating with the trees which are already available as part of the asset store. Click on place trees, edit tree, add tree. Let's select conifer and click add, and we have here a set of trees. Now again go to game object, click 3D object, tree. So we got an asset tree 4 named over here, and here we got a hierarchy. Now this particular tree is placed over there. Let me get it to the center. Let's get some more closer. So this is the trunk of the tree, and there are some values which are available which we presently will not play around with this. What you need to do is first you need to click on the branch group, and you will see the mesh, which click here on move branch, and you'll see the mesh which essentially makes the tree. Here are some of the options which are available. You click on frequency, you will have a number of branches which are not connected, which we don't want, and some other options. Let's leave it to default, and now you again click on this particular icon over here, which will add some branches which are connected to the tree. So initially we have got only this one branch. Now check the frequency parameter, just increase the value, and you will see that some more branches are added to the scene, to the trunk. Distribution, play around with the values of distribution, random, alternate, opposite, or hold. Let's stick to random, and click on the curve. As you click on the curve, this curve decides the placement of the branches connected to the trunk. Now if we get the left side down, you will see that all the branches will move up. So play around with these values to basically place the branches. Now the tree that you see in the background have got most of the branches and leaves connected on the top. Most part of the trunk of a conifer tree does not have any branches or leaves. So this is the curve that will decide where you want to place the branches. Now let's come to material and select the material of the branches. Click on branch material. Let's click on any one of these, and in my case I need to click apply. May not be required in your case. So I've got a particular texture on the branches. Let me click on the trunk and assign the same, and yes, here is the trunk, and the branches have got the same color. Now the length of the tree, let me just make it a bit comparable to the height of the trees behind. Yes, so we got a trunk, we got some branches, and we got the color on the branch. Click on the branch group, and the growth angle parameter over here decides how the branches are going, what angle they will have. You want them to face upwards or straight pointed out. So let's keep it at 0, and the growth scale decides how long your branches are going to be, which have been randomly generated. And again, it has got an associated curve with it. You can play around with the curve to get your unique tree. Now let's add some leaves onto the trees. So make sure that you have selected the branch icon over here on the hierarchy, and then you click on the icon which looks like a leaf, and as soon as you do that, hold on for a while, and yeah, you've got some leaves. Click on leaves and let's increase the frequency of the leaves. Yeah, so this looks like a tree which has got plenty of leaves. The distribution again you can select. Let's again keep it random. The geometry decides what kind of leaf you want to create. Now let's add some color to the leaves. Click on material, the icon over here, and let's find some leaves. Yeah, so click over here. Again, I am getting an option of apply. In your case, this may not be. And yes, finally we have got our leaves. Let's see how it looks like in a game. In order to appreciate what we have created more clearly, I have made a character and put it into the scene. Now let's see the tree from the eyes of the character that we have created. These are the trees, other trees which are pre-built into the system, and this is our tree. So you can see each and every branch and each and every leaf we had made it's there, and I hope now you know how to control each and every aspect of creating a tree. Thank you very much. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial.